What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I'm returning with another banger for you all to enjoy. We're gonna be making some creamy Tuscan salmon, baby. This right here is just simply amazing, jam-packed with flavor, so easy to make, and I cannot wait for you all to try it. Let's not waste any time. Time is money, baby, as you already know. Let's go ahead and get on to the recipe. Let go. So we are going to begin with 3 beautiful salmon fillets. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on these bad boys and give them a nice luxurious massage, as we always do here on this channel. And once we have them all oiled up, you know we gotta season them up proper. On the screen I have displayed everything you need to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well, along with the rest of the seasonings. So go ahead and just drop that seasoning right over the top of your salmon, pat it on in, make sure your salmon is well coated up. You're gonna flip it over and repeat that process on the other side. I have my pan here to about a medium heat, and I'm just gonna drizzle some oil right on into the pan, and we're gonna drop our well seasoned salmon right on in. Go ahead and let it do its thing for about, let's say, 3.5 minutes per side. You do want to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Don't be scared to go ahead and take a little peek, making sure you know you got a nice beautiful color like this on your salmon before you actually flip them on over. And my goodness, do they look beautiful or what? We have a amazing crust on our salmon right here. That looks scrumptious. So go ahead and let it cook for the same exact time on the other side. Then we are going to remove them from the heat. You do want to be careful. Salmon is so delicate. It really wanted to break on me so bad in fact that I had to grab another spatula to get them out of the pan, because I do want to keep them nice and beautiful, you know, when we're serving it up. Do not want it breaking apart. But anyways, moving on up, I have my butter melting in the pan. We are tossing in some sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna toss in some minced garlic. We're gonna toss in some shallot. You can also use onion in place of shallot, you know, if you don't have any on hand. And you're just gonna go ahead and give that a mix for a little bit. Let it do its thing, let it cook. Now we are going in with our heavy cream, baby. Go ahead and toss that into your pan. Give it a mix. And we're just gonna toss a little bit of that seasoning that we used earlier right into there. Give it a mix, give it a taste. If it needs like a pinch of salt or so, you can also add that in. Also, we got our baby spinach going into the pan as well. Again, giving it a mix, letting it do its thing. And once we have it to where we like it, we are gonna drop in a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. The choice is yours. I'm usually quite heavy-handed and generous with my Parmesan cheese because I simply love the flavor so much. Now that that's taken care of, we are gonna reintroduce our salmon, baby. Go ahead and get that right on into the pan. It's not gonna really cook much longer. Our salmon is pretty much fully cooked. I just want to submerge it in this sauce right here, get it covered up, and also I want to toss on some freshly chopped parsley, and you are pretty much ready to bust down and serve up this wonderful dish. You could serve this over pasta, you could serve this over pretty much anything. The options are endless. Just know that it is amazing. It is delicious. It's everything. I'm letting you know right now. You definitely have to give this one a try right here. This is just bomb.com. 10 out of 10. Let me know how you like it down in the comments. Thank you all for watching today's video. I will see you all on the next one. Deuces.